Right? It has two different LED lights. It has obviously the LED light in the front to be used as a flashlight, and then the solar array pops up, and look, you can see it's got some power after I twisted it. 4 LED lights that pop up right behind the solar panel, so you can like read or something like that. A carabiner to hang it from your belt if you wanted to, or a wristband. It has NOAA government weather and emergency bands, as well as normal AM and FM. On the light, it also... I won't do that again, the dog went crazy. I hit the SOS, obviously it's got an audible SOS and red light flashing light, so that's cool. Honestly, it's pretty much everything. This is not a super heavy duty like the zombies are coming and you're going to have to survive for a long time. But for a basic thing to have in your house, just for security, for the occasional emergency, if the power's out for a couple days or something like that, I think this is outstanding. Or even if you were just going camping, I think this would be a cool way, you know, with the crank and the solar power, just so you can keep your phone charged and basic safety. So I'm going to give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I'm going to say this is a winner for me.